Tornadoes are vertical funnels of rapidly spinning air. Their winds may top 250 miles an hour and clear-cut a path of a mile wide and 50 miles long. Twisters are born in thunderstorms and are often accompanied by hail. Giant persistent thunderstorms called supercells spawn the destructive tornadoes. A tornado forms when changes in wind speed and direction create a horizontal spinning effect within a storm cell. This effect is then tipped vertical by rising air moving up through the thunderclouds. Tornadoes are classified as weak, strong, or violent storms. Violent tornadoes comprise only about 2% of all tornadoes, but they cause 70% of all tornado deaths and may last an hour or more. Directed and narrated by Derek Sauer, IM422. Pictures provided by the National Severe Storms Laboratory, public domain.